Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next topic is string comparison without using strcmp of strings str1 comma str2. So how to compare two strings without using string comparison function. Here first you have to compare the first two values. For suppose this function works, you have to compare this value and this value. Then both are same, then you have to increment the pointer. Now you have to increment the pointer. For suppose these two are both are not changed, then you have to return the difference of these two values. This is ptr1, this is ptr2. Difference is asterisk ptr1 minus asterisk ptr2. When you have to move, we have to move to the next address when these two values returns a 0 value. This a minus a 0, then you have to move the next character. Next b, yes, both are same. Next move the next pointer c, next pointer c. Next c, both are same, then move the next pointer to the next, d and d. Yes, both are same, then move the pointer to the next, If the difference is here d minus d 0, so 0 means you have to move the next. This one is non-zero. This should be continued up to the either ptr2 is null character or the ptr1 is null character or ptr2 is the null character. So how to solve this one? First you have to take the name of the function is, in second case, first you have to check when the pointer is moved, when the pointer is incremented. For suppose here the value is capital A, here the value is small a. This difference is capital A minus small a, difference is minus 32. Then we have to return the minus 32 value. That means this function returns either positive number, a positive integer, or a negative integer, or 0. For suppose this difference is minus 32, then you have to return the minus 32 value. This is small a, so both are same, then you have to increment the pointer to the next location. Both are same, increment the pointer to the next location. So both are same, move the point to the next location. For suppose this is the null character, then return 0. That means this both strings are equal, then this one is returns the null value. So how to write? So how to compare? First here asterisk ptr1. So first observe when we are incrementing the pointer. First here you have to calculate the difference, asterisk ptr1 minus asterisk ptr2, asterisk ptr1 and asterisk ptr2. We are calculating these value. Here the asterisk ptr1 is small a, asterisk ptr2 is small a minus small a, 0. This value is 0. Then you have to increment the pointer. Here I am taking, so not of 0. Not of 0 means true, and then apply under for these two values. So this one is small a and small a. Yes, condition true, this return value is 0. So now when we are incrementing the pointer, these two values are 0, then you have to increment the pointer ptr1 and ptr2. If this condition is true, then you have to increment the pointer ptr1 and ptr2. Otherwise you have to return the asterisk ptr1 minus asterisk ptr2. So for this condition is true, first condition small a and small a, small a and small a, minus small a minus small a, 0. 0 not of 0 means 1, this one is 1, and asterisk ptr1 means small a. So small a ASCII value is some non-integer value. So true and true, then this value is true, then you have to increment the pointer ptr1 plus plus ptr2 plus plus. This one is ptr1 plus plus and ptr2 plus plus. If this condition is true, then you have to increment the pointer. Now you have to increment the pointer to the next location and the next location. Now once again check these two values, b and b. Yes, both are same. This difference is 0, not of 0, 1. Then you have to increment the pointer. Increment the pointer. Next c and c. C minus c. Value is 0, not of 0, true. Then you have to increment the pointer. Increment the pointer. Increment the pointers. Next asterisk ptr1 is d, asterisk ptr2 is d, d minus d, 0, not of 0, true, true and true. Then you have to increment the pointer e. Next one is null character. Now what is e? Asterisk ptr1 is small e minus null character. So null character ASCII value is 0, e minus 0, e, this is true. So true, that means e, small a 97, this one is 101. So 101 non-zero, true, not of true, false, so 0. That means the condition falls out of the loop. Then you have to return the value is asterisk ptr1 minus asterisk ptr2. The return value is 101. The return value is 101. For suppose this is the null character, this is small e. In this case 0 minus 101. This value is minus 101, not of minus 101. Condition falls out of the loop. Next you have to return this value. So asterisk ptr1 minus asterisk ptr2 is the final value, final result. For suppose all are same, small d, small d, small abcd, small abcd. In this case this return value is 0, not of 0, true. Then this value is 0, either ptr1 value or ptr2 value is 0. When the string is goes to up to the null character, this condition is 0, then out of the loop. So alt F new F2 strcmp dot c. So void main. We are declaring to char str1 of sum 20 is equal to abcd char str2 of 20 is equal to abcd. Next clear the screen, clr scr. I am calling string comparison of string cmp of, here passing str1 comma str2. This is called function calling. This is called function definition. Void function name is string comparison of str1 is which type? Char asterisk of ptr1, char asterisk of ptr2. For no initialization, here asterisk ptr1 up to the end of the first string. Here you have to calculate the difference between small asterisk ptr1 and asterisk ptr2. This difference is non-zero. 0 means you have to stop the execution. Non-zero means enter the non and not operator. And up to the end of either string 1 or string 2. If this condition is true, then increment the ptr1 plus plus comma ptr2 plus plus. If this condition is true, semicolon. If this condition is true, next addresses. Second time next address up to the null character. At the end you have to return asterisk ptr1 minus asterisk ptr2. That's it. So this function return type is integer. This function returns, the return type is integer. Here you have to take the return type is int. If there, this is called a function definition. If the function return type is integer, then the function declaration is optional. There is no need to declare the declaration. Return type is int, string, function name and type char asterisk comma char asterisk. This is called function declaration. This one is optional. Comment this code. So this return type is an integer. I am printing printf %d comma so this function is calling here. So F7 here to give semicolon. So F7, so Windows watch. So debug this code, remove all. So add ptr1 comma ptr2. Here I am taking asterisk ptr1 and asterisk ptr2. Asterisk ptr1 asterisk ptr2. So F7 Windows watch. Small abcd, small abcd. So this function is comes here. This is called function calling. This str2 value is copied into ptr2. str1 is copied into ptr1. Small a, condition true. So this loop is repeated 4 times. So ABCD both are same, then pointers are incremented. Next BB both are same, then this pointer is incremented to next address. CC both are same, then next addresses. Both are 0 0, 0 minus 0. Condition false, out of the loop, return value is 0. This return value is replaced here. So prints 0. So A, B, B, C, C, D, D. The return value is 0. The return value is stored here. This is printed 0. Alt F 0. So in this case, here I am giving capital A. First time this condition failed. Asterisk ptr1 is capital A, asterisk ptr2 is small a. This difference is minus 32. Minus 32 of not 0. 0 and anything. 0. Condition false, out of the loop. This difference is minus 32 is replaced here. Minus 32 is printed. F7 yes. Capital A, small a. condition failed, the return value is minus 32. Alt F5, minus 32. So here I am giving small a, this is the capital A. Now this difference is 32. First time this condition failed, then out of the loop this difference is 32. Windows, watch. Here function calling, control comes here. Here this difference, here first time condition false, out of the loop this difference is written here, 32 is the output. Here I am giving small abcd, small abcd, here I am giving SMR. In this case, these two are same, pointing to next location, these two are same, pointing next location, both are, these two are same, pointing next location, these two are same, pointing next location. Next this address is 0, here the asterisk PTR1 is 0. So 0 means this one is 0, condition false, 0 and anything, condition false out of the loop. Here the PTR1 is this address, PTR2 is S address. This difference is 0 minus S. The negative value should be replaced here. So in this case F7 S. So Alt F9. F7, Windows, watch, debug, add watches of PTR1, edit PTR1, next PTR2, asterisk PTR1, then asterisk PTR2. So F7 ABCD, control comes here. In this case ABCD, ABCD, ABCD all are same. Next PTR1 is null character. This null character is replaced with 0. Now PTR1 is null character, this null character null minus S. The return value is replaced here, Alt F5, minus 115. So here I am giving instead of I am writing PTR1, here I am write asterisk PTR2. In this case, this difference PTR asterisk PTR2, this is the up to the end of the second one. A same, BB same, CC same, DD same. Next this one is null character, this one is S. So 0 minus S, this condition true, that means 115, 115 not of 115, 0. So true and 0, 0, condition false out of the loop, this difference is both are same. Here if you want you can write asterisk PTR1 or asterisk PTR2. So F7 yes. Here PTR1 is null, but PTR2 is S. This difference is 115. That return value is replaced here, 115. 0 minus 115 minus 115. Okay. So this is